machine? I'm clamping these pieces of wood on there so I can just rest this right on the other joist and it'll line it up. Yeah, like that.
Like 8 gallons of water.
There's solar panels up where the deck's going right now. I'm just slipping them up under there, and then hopefully once all the deck is put on, I can make a roof up there and put the solar panels up higher. I did pick up a whole bunch of wood last week. This is only half of it. The other half is down there on the other boat. These posts at this end might be too short. They're leftovers from those ones, so I didn't have to cut anything to get them. I'm just going to try them out, see what happens when I put this piece. It will put the solar panels at a good angle. Call it quits for today.
To the back party, they will go hang on to the edge onto the edge of a dock. They left because they did not let the wool put on the wool.
I think this is the third socket adapter I've made for my drill. I need to put this one somewhere where I will remember. Like in the set of sockets. Why aren't my other ones in there? You should put a couple pieces from here up to there and then from over there up to there to triangulate it and really make the thing rigid. Although, it's not going anywhere right now. I can do that whenever I come across some pieces. That'll be good for that. God, I'm not even done building. And it's already been taken over by laundry. Those three solar panels are connected directly to this plug, so it's got about 100 volts DC whenever the sun is out, which means it'll run anything that'll run on DC, which would not be like a computer. It would just melt that. Hey Bells, how's the balcony? Cool. I need to nail down a few more of these boards, but they're not going anywhere. I made sure I got the side ones screwed down. Pretty much done. So this slopes down to not very high on this side. I like it that way, even though I can't stand up at this end. because the evening sun comes in from that way and this blocks most of it. That'll make it much more pleasant to eat dinner up there, which will be excellent. Ooh, we'll have to do that tonight. I should also mention, since the water tank is 3/4 full, the sink works inside. Well, that's been working for a while. Long enough that Aurora already snapped off the original plastic valve here. So now I have this one, which is much easier to turn off and on. So kids don't have to grab it with both hands and go, "Rah!" And of course, this guy is functioning very well too. Excellent. So most of the water tank is totally dry on the outside, and it's just concrete. There's no liner inside to prevent the water from leaking out. So most of it looks like it's doing really well. There is one wet spot over here. This spot's like always wet, so I might be losing a little bit of, well, I'm pretty much for sure losing a little bit of water here and maybe there. This is probably at one of the joints, I'm guessing. But it looks like that's the only spot. Even around where I stuck this PVC pipe through the concrete, it's not leaking at all. And this is losing water so slowly, I could probably just ignore it. But one thing I'm thinking I might be able to do is take some clay, like some of this clay from the ground down here, get it powdery, throw it in the water inside the water tank and stir it around. And then anywhere water is getting out, the clay will plug up the spots. It's just tiny, tiny holes, so clay particles should plug them up. We have not drinkalized from the concrete tank yet. I want the water to run through a bunch of times, but it looks like it's doing good. Ooh, the sweet potatoes are coming back now. Nice. Now that the chickens are locked up in jail. Well, I guess I'll go do some bulldozing. What did Arnold Schwarzenegger say when he went to the planetarium? I hear you have got some good-ass steroids here. And because there's someone who always doesn't get it, that was a joke!